The Omni-Wheel Robot Velocity Resolver calculates individual wheel speeds needed to achieve your desired robot motion. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a dropdown for wheel configuration with two options: 3-wheel with 120-degree spacing and 4-wheel with 90-degree spacing. For this demo, I'm using the 3-wheel configuration. Next, we enter the desired X velocity in meters per second, which controls the robot's forward and backward motion. Then the desired Y velocity in meters per second, controlling left and right motion. We also input the angular velocity in radians per second for rotational movement. Finally, there's the robot radius in meters, which defaults to 0.2 meters. After clicking Calculate Wheel Speeds, the results show the required rotational speed for each wheel. For a 3-wheel configuration, you'll see 3 wheel speeds that, when combined, produce your desired robot motion. These speeds account for the wheel angles and ensure coordinated movement. The calculator handles the complex trigonometry behind holonomic drive systems, converting your desired robot velocities into practical wheel commands. This tool streamlines the design process for omnidirectional robots. Find the link in the description below.